Hello, good day. Welcome to CS6203 Object-Oriented Program. Welcome to my first project, which is the Java program. Then the project name, which is the name CS6203 underscore Java credit underscore Mabuyo underscore Jarilyn. So we have this public class, which is the CS6203 underscore Java credit underscore Mabuyo underscore Jarilyn. So make sure that it should be the file name is the same with the public class or the class name. So I have this client Mabuyo.java, which is the parent class, and the credit Mabuyo.java, which is the extend class. So we put import, which is necessary to the class, which is import Java the text that decimal format, import Java that util that input mismatch exception, import Java that util that random, import Java that util that spanner. So our public class or the class name, which is public class client Mabuyo, as I said that this is the parent class and is deriving new class definition from existing class definition, and then extends credit Mabuyo, inherits the existing attributes and behavior of the base class. So we have these attributes, which is private static final credit Mabuyo, and then is equal to new credit Mabuyo, close bracket 100. Private static final scanner is equal to new scanner, and then use delimiter. Private static final decimal format is equal to new decimal format. And then we have this public, it contains the main method, initiate to credit amount. And then public static void main strings args throws exception. It represents the UML diagram. And then so we have this, we are displaying here the Cherilyn Mabuyo course project. And then next is main menu, which is the one new credit account, 2 credit inquiry, 3 purchases, 4 payment, 5 close credit account, and 6 is exit. Then we will start here in create account. So public static void create account int number. So we have this data types or variables, which is the random run, its range for all random numbers, generates the range of the random numbers, and then string input, double quotes, which is the no symbol indicate, and int annual income is equal to 0, and credit Mabuyo new client Mabuyo. So for creating the account, so input the name of the client, and then it display in system.out.print ln. Please enter the account name of the user, and then while input that matches is we need to input the letters or character, which is from A to Z, and then it's printing the system.out.print the account name of the user. Then assign the annual income, which is do loop system.out.print let's enter an annual income of more than 200,000 in system.out.print. The annual income must be above 200,000 to avail the credit. So next, assign the credit limit, which is if annual income is less than 200,000, so it's printing the system.out.println annual income below 200,000 is not eligible for the credit. So else if an annual income is less than equal to 300,000, so the credit limit is 30,000. And else if the annual income is less than equal to 500,000, then the credit limit is 50,000. Else, if I don't know, if the annual income is 500,000, the credit limit is uh five. If the annual income is 500,000, the credit limit is 50,000. Then next is we move to credit inquiry. So public static void inquiry, and then just type the listed main menu, which is the credit inquiry, and then system.out.println credit inquiry. So I use the do loop and input the account number, and it's printing the system.out.println and type the account number of the user. If the if the credit if the account number is uh not yet registered, or you are inputting the wrong number, and then it will printing the system that outlet print the account number is not yet registered. So let's move to the purchase. So public static void purchase, we have these data types or variables, which is double input, byte CTR is equal to 0, double allowable purchase amount, double balance, and then just type the listed main menu, which is the number of the main menu, and then it's printing that system.out.println purchase. Then just next is input the account number of the user, and it's printing system.out.println, type the account number, and while storing that value of integer, so you must put an integer value. Then if they validate, if the credit account is valid, and input the amount of purchase, so it's system.out.println amount purchase, minimum of 1 and maximum of credit limit. So while storing that value, input matches it is integer, so 0 to 9, and then system.out.println amount purchase, minimum of 1 and maximum of credit limit. Then to compute and update the credit balance, so credit balance is equal to amount of payment. So next, let's move to the pay credit, which is public static void pay credit. So we have these data types: the double input, double allowable purchase amount, int, CTR is equal to 0. So again, just type the listed main menu, which is the number 4. Just type the number or the integer, and then it printing that system.out.println is equal to pay credit. And then I try. So input the account number, which is the account number of the user, and it's printing system.out.println, and then it display the type the account number. So while storing that value of integer, then input must be integer, so 0 to 9, and then it's printing the type of the account number. And if the credit account number is valid, confirm if the user wants to close the account. I know. Um, Close the account, yes. Then so So pay in the payment, which is the we have this public static void pay credit. So see, just type the listed main menu, which is the number 4, and then it's printing system that out that print pay credit. So input the type of the account number, and then it displaying it printing system that out that print ln type the account number. So type the account number of the user, and then if the credit account number is valid, yeah, input the amount of one and not greater than the credit balance. So and then the to compute and update the credit balance, which is credit balance is equal to amount of payment. So let's move to close account. So again, just type the listed main menu, and then it's printing the delete account. So for deleting the account, input the credit account number. So it's printing system that out that print type the account number, and then if the credit account number is valid, confirm the account. Confirm by the user should be required to pay all the credit balance before closing main menu. And then if the account has been closed, the credit account should not exist anymore. So this is client Mabuyo.java, which is the body method. And now let's move to credit Mabuyo.java, which is the public class. So again, we use this import, which is necessary to the class. It's import java.text decimal format, then the class name, the public class, which is credit Mabuyo. So we have these attributes: private long credit account number, private string name, private double credit limit, private double credit balance, and private final decimal format. Number format is equal to new decimal format. So in public credit Mabuyo, which is credit account number, the name of the user, credit limit, credit balance, and the public double, get credit balance, and return to credit balance. And public double, credit limit, return, credit limited. So public long, get credit account number, return to credit account number. Public string, so get name of the user, and then return the name. And so here in the public void inquiry credit balance, so system.out print credit account the number, and then system.out current print ln credit account name, system.out print credit account limit, system.out print ln credit account balance plus number format. So for purchasing, public double purchase, double amount, double fixed credit limit, so double interest. If amount is greater than 0 and amount of less than is equal fixed credit limit, so credit balance plus is equal to amount. So we have interest is equal to credit balance, which is 3%. So else if amount is greater than credit balance, system.out print the amount you are trying to pay exceeds your balance, try again, and it's returned to credit balance. Next, in public void, pay credit, double amount, double fixed credit, limited. So we're using if credit balance is not equal to 0. So it's printing system that out the print ln, you don't have pending credit to pay. And then this time we can close the account. So public void close account, if that credit balance is greater than 0, it's printing that system that out that print ln Sorry, you still have a balance of peso, and then credit balance, you need to see to your credit balance to closure account. And so let's run the program. Then it display here the main menu, which is new credit account, two credit inquiry, three purchases, four payment, five gross credit account, and six exit. So type the number of your choice listed in main menu. So let's type or input the one. And please enter account name, which is the user name. So I'm gonna type my name, which is Sherilyn. And then please enter an annual income. If income of more than 200,000, then the annual income must be above 200 to avail credit. So I'm gonna input 300,000. So here's the account details, the credit account number, the credit account name, which is Geraldine, and then the credit account limit is 30,000, and the credit balance is 0. So let's go to number 3, which is purchase. So type the account number. You will enter the account number. Then the amount purchased says minimum of 1 peso and maximum of credit limit. So I'm gonna purchase the 10,000 peso to purchase. So here is the amount purchased is 10,000. The credit balance is 10,300 because 10,300 there is a 3% interest. So the allowable purchase amount, which is 19,700. Then let's move to number 4. So payment, type the account number. So the upgraded balance is 10,300. And then amount to pay of minimum and 1 peso maximum of credit limit. So since I still have 10,300 credit balance, so I'm gonna purchase the 10,000 peso. And then the updated credit balance is 10,400. The updated credit balance is 300. So the allowable purchase amount is 29,700. So I tried to delete my account. So let's move to close credit account. And then it says you still have a balance of 300. You need to see to your credit balance to close your account. So let's go back to credit inquiry. Then the credit account limit is 30,000. Then the credit account balance is 300,000. So we need to we need to have a payment so we can delete our account. So let's move to number 5. For 3 and 4 for payment, and then type the account number, and then the updated credit balance is 300. So we're gonna put the 300 balance, and then it said that the allowable purchase amount is 30,000 and the credit balance is 0. So let's close the credit account because we have a zero balance. Then the account number, and then your account have been deleted. So since the account is been deleted, and then let's move to number 6 to terminate the program. Then it said successful. So this is it.